Hey, welcome. Here's a quick rapid review of this TS100 soldering iron. So, I've had mine a fair while and they've been out since the dawn of the dinosaurs. I've got a little leather pouch to store mine in. It goes everywhere with me, really handy. Other than really thick gauge wires, this does the job for the most part. I haven't got a K-type tip, but in good time I might grab one. So, the removable tips, you can get different styles with conical, bulldozer type, K, BC2, all the ones you could get for a Hacko station, you can pretty much get for this. It's as simple as sticking the tip in, tightening down the Allen bolt here on the top, and you're ready to go. All it takes is a DC power source, either a laptop power supply, something like this wall wart, or a DC battery off a quadcopter, for example, out in the field, like we use. So, I'm going to let the iron speak for itself. I got a few little bits and bobs that need sorting out, and I thought I'd run through it while I'm doing them. Little PDB, a WeMOS with an OLED screen. So I've had it long enough that I whipped up a stand. Little card top left here of the person who designed this on Thingiverse. Thank you to them. So, DC barrel jack, plug it in, OLED display here. It's in standby. You can customize this. It runs off a STM32 chip, so you can program pretty much everything about it. You can buy new cases and stuff to customize it further. Take it out of standby, hold a button, there you go. I want it on 350, leave it, that's going to hit 350 and it'll show you. It's got smart tips and so forth with thermocouples in. So there is a little ESD grounding bolt on here that you can get strapped for if you need it. Okay, real nice clean joints on there, nice and shiny, Instagrammable. Okay, first up, thicker gauge wire. Oh, there you go. Beautiful. Quite a sacrificial piece, but nonetheless that illustrates different gauges of wire, quite small joints. So, onto the WeMOS. So, I am by far anything from a decent solderer, but this makes it look easy. Very happy with them. Now I've got an OLED screen to go on top of it. So just like that, beautiful solder joints, they're shiny, they look to have taken well. Well, what can you say? Solder joints like that from a hobbyist, very happy. I'll overlay some pictures if this doesn't pick it up too well. But well, TS100, get yourself one on sale. Customizable, 100 to 400 degrees C, 12 to 24 volt input, which is, I think it's about 17 watt to 60 something. 12 volts like this takes about 40 seconds to heat up. Apparently on 24 volts it will take about 10 or 15. Yeah, you can even customize the temperature ramp curves and standby settings, and I think I read somewhere it might even have an accelerometer in here so it doesn't go to sleep while you're using it. Well, thanks for watching. Happy soldering. Take care.
Io falei, hey!